What's going on, guys? It's Mark over here at Molle Dodge, and today I'm making a video of one of the new Rams. This is the first year ever they put the high output engine in the 3/4 ton, so you get over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. You get right around 430 horsepower, tons of power, tons of performance. Second gear takeoffs in this thing. It's a really cool truck. Instead of me jabbing on about it, let me go ahead and flip this camera around, point out a few key features. That way you can see what the truck looks like, just in case you can't make it out to the dealership. My name is Mark, I sell cars. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now let's go ahead and dig into this truck. All right, guys, so here it is. This one's all blacked out. It's a Bighorn. There's tons of stuff on this Bighorn here. So you can always tell you got the new 25 set up because you got this bar right here. So on the models prior to it, your headlights are gonna look like this one right here. But on the Bighorn, now you get this bar across the front. This one's got the night package on it, so it's all blacked out for you too. Let me show you a couple things we have going on up front here. Number one, you got a 360 camera on this Bighorn. You got lane detection sensors on this. And then up here inside your window, you're gonna have a forward collision warning sensor. It's also gonna act as adaptive cruise control. The really cool thing about the Ram 2500 compared to the 3500 right next to it is gonna be the suspension. So the suspension on this one's gonna be a 5-link coil suspension on the back, opposed to your leaf springs that is on the back of your 3500. So you're gonna get a little bit smoother ride inside this one when it's unloaded. Tow capacity on this is gonna be right around 20,000 pounds compared to the 25 over there, 3500, which is gonna have 34,000 pounds towing capacity. You can see you got those cameras all the way over. On these trailer tow mirrors, these are gonna be telescopic, so these can come out, they can go in for you. You can power fold them, all sorts of cool stuff like that. Now on the inside of your Bighorn, you can see you have cloth interior. You got that gray, diesel gray interior, really nice on the inside. Got your adaptive cruise control. You got your tachometer on the left, speedometer on the right, automatic lights. You have the ability to adjust your foot pedals in this one. And then you have bed power you can turn on and off for yourself. 12-inch screen right up here in the center console, 2 Ram wireless chargers, adjustable center console, really lots of nice room in here. For the 2025 year, Ram actually won Motor Trend Truck of the Year. Pretty cool stuff. Here in the back, you're gonna have the bench seat. This one does have an Alpine stereo system in it, so you have the fold flat storage here on this side, and then you're gonna have an Alpine sub. You got some great power in here as well, so you have the power in the back. You're gonna have the ability with the USB-C and USB to plug in there. Then you also have the normal household plug-in, and then this is pretty cool. On this here, this is made to fit an 11.5-inch iPad, so if you got kids or if you're going on a long road trip and you wanna sleep in the back somewhere, you can throw that iPad in there. And then check this out, put a few snacks down here inside this little dude. Got some place to store some stuff, some sodas, whatever you want to put back there. Here in the back of the truck, you can see on the back third brake light, you do have a camera that's going to look down inside the bed. We'll get inside here in a little bit and check that out. You see your coil suspension on that one. And then you got the kick step here as well. They call it the kick step because you kick it in and you kick it out. Go ahead and kick that back up in there for y'all. And then here on your tailgate, we'll go and unlock this. Nice soft fall, easy lift. Look how smooth that goes down. And then you got your puck system here in the back. So all you gotta do is throw your 5th wheel in there, or if you wanna do a gooseneck, you just gotta get a B&W gooseneck adapter, which is right around $100. You got your power in here already too, so it's ready to hook up and tow down the road. 4x4 of course, parking sensors all over. Also has that automatic blind spot detection on the truck. Really cool. Let's go ahead and just take a look at this passenger side real fast, and then we'll go ahead and hop in that driver's seat and I'll show you some of the tech features on this one. So you got the center storage up here with the removable rubber liner. Then you got the glove box down here that is lockable. You got the module display again, some storage here on the side. Pretty nice truck. And then up here, you're gonna have your assist button, some ability to turn your lights on and off and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and hop in the driver's seat, and I'll go over some of the tech features on this one real quick so you can get a good idea about all that stuff. All right, let's go ahead and hop up in here and show you what the deal is. All right, guys, so here we are. We're in the Bighorn now, and you can see we're low on diesel. No big deal, we're not going anywhere. You got your adaptive cruise control feature here, so that'll actually stop the truck for you in a case of emergency. You are gonna have some controls for the volume and to change the stereo over here. You got the power trailer mirrors, so you can go in and out with those, fold them, do all those cool things. And then a lot of your stuff's going to be right inside here. Let's just jump right over here into this vehicle section. You can see this thing has a ton of cameras on it. So you can see the surround camera, you can see the front of the truck, the rear of the truck, the back for towing. You can zoom down in on your hitch. You can see inside the bed if you want to hook up something for that fifth wheel. More cameras on this one. You even have the blind spot camera on this vehicle as well. So if you're making those turns, someone's on the side of you, you can make sure that you're not going to run them over. Go ahead and close that out really quick. Let me show you some of the functionality this thing has. So you go to vehicle settings, display. We're going to press that dark mode right there. So it's going to turn this display into an all black setup for you. Most of my customers prefer it this way. It gives it a really cool, clean look. And then with this, you're going to be able to go into dashboard. You got off-road pages in this truck, so you can see your gauges, your pitch, your roll, all those kind of things. Your trailer tow group on this one, so if you want to hook up different trailers, you can have them pre-programmed in the system. It even has navigation on it as well. It's its own navigation system made by TomTom. There's just a ton of stuff in these new trucks. This one does have the heated seats for you and a heated steering wheel too. But that's this Bighorn 2025 in a nutshell. Hey guys, that's the Bighorn 2025 Ram heavy duty truck for y'all to check out. My name's Mark, I sell cars. I make videos just like this so I can be familiar with the products. That way when you guys come out to get information about it, I have the right information for you. I've touched it, I feel it, and I know a little bit more about it. So thanks for watching this quick video. My name's Mark, I sell cars. Since you made it this far already anyway, do me a favor, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope y'all are having a great day.